Hello traders, Jai Shri Shyam. Welcome back to Banya Get Trades. And today is 30th of October. Yesterday, I think you have seen this video. If not, go and see the video because yesterday I have uploaded this Trade Finder is a scam wala video, and here it's not kind of a scam because I use Trade Finder and I daily use Trade Finder and I try to post like video every day ki how I use this Trade Finder and whether I ended up in a green or red day, how was my day. So that's how I decided to make a daily video on this Trade Finder. And today also I have taken a trade. Today is 30th of October. If you see the market, the a buyers was downside from me. Like I was thinking कि market नीचे जाने वाला है, but the thing is market opened up around 26,000 level. Nifty I'm talking about, ठीक है. तो अब ये 26,000 ओपन होने के बाद वन वे for around 100 points I guess, yeah, 100 points, and then throughout the day whatever the movement was going to happen, it was happened like before 10 only, 9:55 only. So before 10 all the movement was gone for the day, and then throughout the day it was like around chopping the market, like going up, going down, going up, going down. So today is kind of a red day for every guy. Mostly like 90% will lose money today, or only option seller will make the money, right? Not the option buying or any stock trader or an intraday stock or equity or momentum trader. They will lose the money for sure for today. And what's our scenario was, I'll show you the MTM curve. This is my MTM curve if you guys are not aware of this. ये क्या करता है, मैंने एक बॉट बनाया हुआ है, इफ यू सी दिस स्टॉप लॉस हेड ट्रिगर बॉट, ठीक है. तो ये एक बॉट बनाया हुआ है जो कि एनी एनी डे मेरे को यहाँ पे मतलब हर 5-5 मिनट में, इफ़ यू सी 11:50 देन 11:55 11:45, इट शोज़ माई PNL फ्लक्चुएशन कि मेरा PNL क्या चल रहा है. लाइक लेट्स सी 11 बजे मेरा चल रहा था अराउंड 250 प्लस, 11:15 पे चल रहा था 750 माइनस, एंड देन दैट्स हाउ द मार्केट फ्लक्चुएट्स, हाउ माई PNL फ्लक्चुएट्स. इट गिव मी अ screenshot so that I can backtrack it. So this is the trade finder which I use today, and if you see I traded in NMDC. So at 9:55, so trade finder, why I was saying ki trade finder is not the tool, like if you buy this you will definitely going to make profit. See, at 9:25 it gave NMDC as a bull signal. If you see the signal here is bull, and at 9:55 it gave as a bear signal. So for NMDC only, it's gave bull and bear both signal within like 20-30 minutes. And you know कि मेरा जो भी स्टॉक पे ट्रेड रहता है वो दोनों जगह आया रहता है, इंट्राडे बूस्ट as well as breakout beacon. So NMDC was one of those. R factor was good, like 1.3 was there when I have taken the trade. It was like at 9:55 or 9:10 a.m. I'll show you the trade. Just give me a second. Let me open this. Let me open this for you guys. Cool. Yeah, if you see, today I ended up at 596 rupees profit. I'll show you what's the brokerages. Brokerages was 181 rupees, so around 400 profit. It was kind of a red day, but yeah, anyways, we ended up at green, so it's good for us. Yesterday we made 6,000. Day before yesterday we made around 4,000 something like that. So it's like that. Yeah. Now if you see, what I was going to show you guys is the MTM curve. So if you see this at 11:55, my position is around 590 or 580 something, and it got exited at same price. Only one trade I took because you see the market was very choppy throughout the day. If I have traded anything, we were like we have the chances to end up at red only. So if you see, this is how when this day low got breakdown, right? When we have a breakdown of this day low, I entered a trade here at 9:55. I got a signal at 10 around, I entered, and somewhere around here, I think at 14:25 or somewhere around here, 13:20, I'm not very sure. There I exited the trade because I saw there was no movement throughout the day. See, there was no movement around 1:2. I was hoping that I can hit, but no, trade finder was not helpful today. It was like maybe it can be the scenario of the market, but you have seen right, NMDC में दोनों सिग्नल आए हुए हैं, तो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि भाई आपने ये ले लिया मतलब ये आप अंधाधुन आप पैसा बना लोगे, ऐसा नहीं है। ट्रेड फाइंडर भी देखो, एनएमडीसी बियर बुल दोनों सिग्नल दिया हुआ है, लाइक अगर 925 पे मैं ले रहा हूँ तो इसको बुल दिया हुआ है जिसपे स्टॉप लॉस हिट होता, बट अपना थोड़ा सा स्ट्रैटेजी, अपनी थोड़ी सी थिंकिंग, अपनी थोड़े से एक्सपीरियंस लगा के अगर ट्रेड करोगे तो 955 पे इफ यू हैव टेकन द ट्रेड, still I ended up at green somehow, right? It's around 600 rupees, 180 is the brokerage, so around 400 net profit. So within these 3 days we have captured around 11,000 from the market. This is good enough. If you see, the capital used is 1.67 lakh, but still 90,000 was the gap. Like I was using only 70-80,000 of my capital. 90-80,000 was like free in my account. It was not used at all according to my position size. So yeah, that's it. I think I have shown you this. This is my algo, which if you see, I have also seen around 1500 a peak somewhere in between, like when I'll show you in chart also. So at this point 1335, at 1335 I was seen somewhere around 1500, but due to my laptop got dead, I have to close this algo, and I didn't have this MTM curve chart after 11:55, but my position got closed around let me show you guys that as well. My position got closed around 1518, so it was around end of the day, and I have closed it manually because my algo was not responsible here, because it cut the position only at the SL, whatever SL. If you see here, the SL is at minus 2400, or at market close R. Here I have written the logic. If you see the market close R, it's like 13, and if you see this market close R, I have fixed the variable at 20 minutes, so it's like 318, 319, it will be going to close the positions. So yeah, I think that's it for today, and this is just the banner I was changing for my YouTube channel. That's it. I think I have to wake my YouTube channel up, and th this video I think you guys are liking, and if you want this series to be continued, you have to comment it down. You have to tell me that you are liking it. It is helping you guys, and definitely I'll be making this video regularly, because I trade regularly. I do videos, and I'm not actually doing videos regularly, but I do trade regularly. So let's see uh, if I get a good response. Like I show you, let me show you guys. I want to be very transparent. I don't know why I show you these things. Let me show you how much I make from YouTube. See, in the last 28 days I make around 80 rupees, because I haven't uploaded any content, right? I haven't uploaded any content since 30 days. Like if you see my videos, last videos is around very less. I'll show you guys that as well. So uh, let me open this. See, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, sometimes mood got swinged and I upload 4 5 videos. Then see 6 months ago, then see 11 months ago, like 4 4 5 5 months gap. This I don't know why I thought, like I was using Trade Finder since long, so maybe you guys will. There are many people, right, who want to use it, who want to analyze it, how it will be getting used. They want to know. तो इसीलिए बनाया था ये वीडियो, एंड आई थिंक यू गाइज आर लाइकिंग दिस. I'll show you. There are some pretty subscribers which I got through this video. It's like the number one as of now. So yeah, that's it. I think I have been very transparent with you guys. This deserves a like for sure, and a comment and a subscribe. Thank you guys for watching Benefit.